Hello and welcome back to the Wallmantra show. This is your host Aryan. The only thing better than curling up with a good book, having a perfect spot to cozy up with it. Today we are going to talk about how to decorate your reading corner. Choose a corner next to the window to have some sunlight and breeze coming in through it. Place a beautiful lawn chair with an eye-catching rug or a carpet. Choose a metal coffee table. Add a motivating quote, table vase and plants of your choice for the overall look of the sitting area. Soften up the corner of a room by suspending a pendant light from the ceiling or with a floor lamp. It adds brightness and warmth to the empty space. So that's all for today, peeps. For more professional tips like these, tune into the Wallmantra show every Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 6. Bye-bye.